Show the parts to be installed. Use a screwdriver to gently pry open the fuse holder, and then replace the broken fuse with one of the spare fuses. The instrument includes 2 spare fuses that can be used to replace the fuse inside the instrument in case of breakage. Install the display. Install the accessory holder. Install the RET handle. Install the CET handle. Put all the installed handles into the corresponding accessory holder in turn. Install the negative plate. Install pedal switch. Connect the power cord and turn on the instrument. Choose CETs on the screen. Parameter settings. Recommended working time, 10 minutes. Recommended energy level, 3. Choose CETM on the screen. Parameter settings. Recommended working time, 10 minutes. Recommended energy level, 3. Choose CETL on the screen. Parameter settings. Recommended working time, 10 minutes. Recommended energy level, 3. Choose CETXL on the screen. Parameter settings. Recommended working time, 15 minutes. Recommended energy level, 3. Choose Red S on the screen. Parameter settings. Recommended working time, 15 minutes. Recommended energy level, 3. Choose Red M on the screen. Parameter settings. Recommended working time, 15 minutes. Recommended energy level, 3. Choose Red L on the screen. Parameter settings. Recommended working time, 15 minutes. Recommended energy level, 3. Choose Red XL on the screen. Parameter settings. Recommended working time, 15 minutes. Recommended energy level, 3. Handle operation. Press and hold the on/off button, move the handle across the treatment area, and then depress the pedal switch. Press and hold the on/off button to pause the operation. Note: 1. Keep the handle in motion once the on/off button is activated to prevent skin burns. 2. The illuminated border of the energy bar signifies the operational status of the handle. Turn off the machine and unplug the power cable.